Is Face ID not working after a recent iOS update? It can be frustrating, especially if it was working fine before. Software updates sometimes bring bugs or change settings, but fixing it is easy. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix Face ID step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Attention. Enable Require Attention for Face ID and attention-aware features. Also enable Haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn them off and turn them back on again. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Setup Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 3. Check Screen Time Restrictions Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. If Screen Time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to turn off the restriction on Face ID. If you still have issues, enable True Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness slider to come here. Then enable True Tone. You can also try to update your iPhone or give your iPhone a reset all settings. This will definitely help, unless you have hardware issues. These steps should help you fix Face ID issues after a recent iOS update. Let me know in the comments if they worked for you or if you have any other questions.